General Macario Leon Sakay, also known as Macario Sakay, Landron, Tulisan, Bandolero, Bringad, Bandit, outlaw were all names used to define Philippine criminals in the early 90s. Since the early American colonizations of the Philippines for decades, Filipino allowed themselves to be brainwashed by the American victors into thinking these men were also enemies to the Filipino people. Through the 1902 Bandolero Act, patriotic armed struggles for independence were deemed by the American colonial government as dishonorable criminal activities. Macario Sakay would be regarded as the greatest outlaw of them all. 100 years later, many of these US-branded bandits are now regarded by Filipino as heroes and patriots of the Philippines. The fall of Sakay's Republika ng Katagalugan government was regarded by the United States to be the absolute last of the great resistance fighting for an independent Philippines. Peace and tranquility was considered fully restored, completing the second condition of the 1902 Cooper Act. The Philippine Commission and U.S. government now approved the establishment of a national government assembly made up of Filipino. In 1907 should be best remembered for those two great events in Philippine history. While the Supreme Court confirmed the death sentence of Sakay on July 26, 4 days later, the first election of the Philippine Congress took place in Manila on July 30. With the execution of Macario Sakay on September 13 in 1907, his death closed book on the Republika ng Katagalugan government and marked the end to the Katipunan armed struggle for kalayaan. But on the other hand, it gained way and allowed for the Philippine Congress to be born.